In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data from Excel into QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how to upload your spreadsheet, and how to map your columns so everything lands in the right place. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online company and open the settings menu. That's the gear icon in the top right. You'll want admin or full access for imports. From the menu, choose Import Data. This takes you to the Import Center, where you can choose what you're bringing in, like customers, vendors, products and services, or transactions such as journal entries. Select the record type that matches your Excel file so QuickBooks knows what fields to expect. When you're ready, choose Import. On the screen that follows, select the option to upload a file. QuickBooks supports common spreadsheet formats, and a clean, well-labeled sheet will make this go smoothly. If you can, keep your first row as clear headers, avoid merged cells, and make sure dates and numbers are consistently formatted. Click Upload, then choose Browse to locate your file on your computer. Pick the sheet you prepared and confirm. If you've got multiple tabs in your workbook, QuickBooks will usually let you specify which one to use. Once your file is attached, click. Next, to move into field mapping. Mapping is where you match your spreadsheet columns to QuickBooks fields. Use the drop-downs to align each header with its correct destination, such as name, date, account, amount, or memo. If you're importing journal entries, double-check that debit and credit columns are correctly assigned and that each entry balances. Watch for small issues like extra spaces in names, inconsistent date formats, or amounts in the wrong column. These are the most common causes of errors. If a column isn't needed, you can leave it unmapped. After you've mapped everything, click Next to preview the import. You'll see a sample of your rows and which fields they'll populate. This is a great moment to verify spelling, account names, and amounts before anything is created in your books. When it looks right, select Import to start the process. You'll see a progress message, and if QuickBooks finds any problems, it will flag the specific rows, so you can fix the sheet and try again. If it completes without errors, you're all set. Review the imported records in the appropriate list or report to confirm the data appears as expected. Keep a clean copy of your spreadsheet and your mapping choices for next time. That consistency will make future imports fast and accurate.